Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. Today I'm going to show you how to use commutators to finish building the last two centers on large cubes. Before we get started, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Let's begin. A commutator is a series of moves that allows you to swap a piece or pieces from two adjacent faces. This commutator can be used on any large cube like the 5x5 and larger, and it can also be used on any large Megaminx type puzzle, like the Gigaminx and larger. Now you can use this commutator by either bringing the pieces up from the front face to the top face, or bringing them down from the top face to the front face. I will show you examples of both, but I will mainly do my preferred method of doing it from the top face to the front face. In this example, I'm going to swap out this green piece with an orange piece. Turn the top face so the orange piece is in the same spot in its face, like so. Bring the row down that has the piece that you'll be swapping. Turn the front face so the piece can be replaced by a green piece. Make sure that the row you're going to be bringing down is not the same row you just brought down. Bring that row down. Turn the front face so you can bring the first row back up. Bring that first row back up. Turn the front face so you can bring the second row back up. And bring that row back up. Now as you can see, the green and orange pieces have been swapped. In this example, I'll be doing the commutator from the front face to the top face. This is the orange piece that I want to swap. Turn the front face so the green piece is in the same location on its face like so. Bring the row of that piece up. Note the location of the piece that just got swapped. Turn this face so you can bring an orange piece up from below. Bring that row up. Turn the top face so you can bring the first row back down. Now turn the top face so you can bring the second row back down. And now the green and orange piece has been swapped. In this example, we have two green pieces next to each other. Normally, you would swap these pieces individually, but in this case, we have two pieces on the top face that are next to each other, so we can solve them at the same time. Turn the top face so the orange pieces are in the same location on their face. Bring the two rows down to swap out the pieces. Turn the front face so you can bring a third row down to swap out these pieces with green pieces. Bring the row down. Turn the front face so we can bring these two rows back up. Bring that row up. Now turn the front face so you can bring the third row back up. And now bring the third row back up. And as you can see, the green and orange pieces have been swapped. And there you have it, a brief tutorial on how to use commutators on large cubes. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, have a great day.